OLL, or you can call it to look OLL, you are going to require 2 steps to do this, which will require you to learn 10 different algorithms. I know that's a lot, but if you were trying to do this in only 1 step, it would require you to learn 57 algorithms, which I don't even have memorized. I only have the first 10 memorized, so yeah. Basically, this is 1 out of the 10 cases you can get. When you have an L shape, you want to make sure that the L part, or the whatever shape this part is facing you. Forget the corners. I'm only talking about the edge pieces and the center piece right now. If you have a situation like this, then you want to move the front 2 layers down with F, so basically a wide F, and then you want to do that, basically R, U, R prime, U prime, and then you want to move these 2 layers back up. Now you will see that, the top isn't always going to be aligned like this, but it should most likely not be aligned, you know what I mean? So you can do the second step. Let me just do the cross real quick, because then we can get into a perfect situation. Oh, I almost forgot about F2L. F2L isn't that hard, but sometimes you just freeze on it, and it takes a while for you to, get used to doing F2L, because it isn't normal for beginners. Now, I've been doing CFOP for a really long time, so it's not that hard for me. Oh wait, I just realized I did one of the OLL algorithms, so I'll undo that. Okay, yeah, we have the L shape again, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I taught you guys, but now, as you can see, all of the yellows aren't on top. The L shape algorithm for us was just to get the yellow across. Now we have to get these 2. So this is basically another one of the 10 algorithms that you need to know. You have learned 1. Here's the second case. When you have all pieces on the top, just 2 corners that are not on the top, one is facing this way, one is facing that way, then you want to hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So you want to move this. You want to move the left down. Okay, I'm just going to read the cube notation part, okay? So L, U, R prime, U prime, L prime, U, R, U prime. Yeah, and that should get you to all yellows on the top. Now I'm just going to try and get to a different situation. Okay, perfect. When you have when you have your cross done, you only have your corners left. You want to so basically this could have 2 different situations altogether. Either the yellow on this side could be facing you, or the yellow on this side could be facing you. If the yellow on this side is facing you, then you want to do this algorithm. And if the yellow on the other side is facing you, you want to do this algorithm, which you should already know. You should already know this algorithm if you know how to solve the cube with the beginner's method. Anyone find that familiar? I'm just going to mess up the OLL so we can get into another case. Perfect. You have the yellow cross done, but all of the edge pieces, the corner pieces are facing away from each other. These 2 face away from these 2. So in this case, you want to move the front layer clockwise, so F, and then you want to do R, U, R prime, U prime 3 times. Not once, but 3 times. So we did it 1 time, second time, third time, and then you want to move the front layer back. So that is another one of the cases. Let's destroy the OLL. Okay, let's destroy it again. Okay, we have a new case. When you have 2 corners done and the yellow cross done, you'll have 2 diagonal corners left. And you don't wanna hold it like this where you can't see the yellow sides. You wanna hold it like this where you can see the yellow sides, and then you wanna do this algorithm. R prime U R D prime R prime U R D. Now, yep, you should get that. Okay, now let's try to get into a different situation. We have gotten nowhere. We're still at the same. Oh, well, oh, I just did it for us. Let's go. But there is another case you guys can get where you know how these two are facing opposite when these two are facing this way. So I'm gonna see if I can get into that situation. Please just okay. This is a new situation. These two are facing this way, but these two are facing that way. Not these two aren't facing away from each other. These two are facing away from each other, and this is going parallel. So you want to hold it like this, so you see one of the yellow corners, and it's facing you, and it's on the right side. And then you want to do this algorithm. R prime, U, R. Wait, did I already teach this? I don't remember if I already taught this or not. That's funny. But that's... Oh, wait a minute. I did the wrong algorithm. I did the wrong algorithm. I messed up. I'm literally garbage. Okay, so you want to do R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. Yeah, and now I'm gonna try to get us to the OLL that we're looking for. We're not looking for that one. We've already got the solution to that. Okay, this is a new one. The line, when you have the line, you basically want to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F prime, which should get you into either the entire top, yellow, or any one of the other situations that we talked about. Now, we have not talked about this situation, so let's get right into it. When you have these two edges that are facing parallel, you want to hold them in front of you and then do this. R2, D, but you want to move it like this. You want to move it with your ring finger, D. So here, let's go over this again. R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. Wait, I think I said R prime for the other one when I meant R, but whatever. So this is like the only algorithm that doesn't have a pattern to it, which might be hard for you guys to learn, but eventually you will learn it. Now there's another case when there is just the dot. So let's see if I can get into that. I don't think so. Let's try it from this side. What about this? Oh, let's go. Easy. Okay, so when you only have the dot, you don't have any other piece. All you have to do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then you should probably get into the L shape. And then you guys know how to do that. So I think that is all for to look OLL. Let's get into PLL. The link will be in the description down below.